Every day, more than 1 million bottles and cans of Pepsi are sold worldwide. Its addictive flavor and those refreshing bubbles make it irresistible to many. But how is Pepsi actually manufactured? What are they hiding from us behind the factories? Well, today we will travel to Denver, United States, where more than 100,000 bottles of Pepsi are produced every day. There we will see every step of the production process of this delicious drink, from the creation of its secret formula until each bottle is ready to reach your hands. So get ready, because today we are going to discover how one of the most popular soft drinks in the world is mass-produced. Let's begin. Step number 1. Creation of Pepsi. The history of Pepsi begins in 1893, when pharmacist Caleb Bradham created a drink known as Brad's Drink. Originally intended as a remedy for stomach problems, Bradham combined water, sugar, cola nut, and caffeine, creating a beverage that quickly gained popularity among his customers. Shortly after, Bradham renamed his creation Pepsi Cola, with the aim of positioning it as a revitalizing and functional soft drink. Although in its early days it was conceived as a medicinal drink, its unique flavor made it stand out, quickly winning people's taste. But is Pepsi a copy of Coca-Cola? The answer is no. Although both were born in an era when pharmacists experimented with formulas, Pepsi never tried to replicate Coca-Cola. From its beginnings, Pepsi distinguished itself by its unique formula and its innovative approach, both in flavor and marketing. While Coca-Cola had already conquered the market, Pepsi began to position itself as a fresh, bold, and different option, using aggressive marketing strategies and adapting its formula over time. So now that we know the origins of Pepsi and its history, it's time to see what makes this drink so special. Let's go. Step number 2. The main ingredient, water, makes up about 94% of Pepsi, so it is undoubtedly the most important ingredient in the drink. This vital resource is extracted from deep underground wells, located about 250 meters below the surface, ensuring that it is pure and free of impurities from the start. Once extracted, the water goes through a strict filtration process to remove any particles or contaminants. But that's not all. The water also undergoes advanced disinfection processes, such as reverse osmosis and exposure to ultraviolet rays, which ensure that it is completely free of microorganisms and ready for the next step. The purity of the water is crucial, as even a minimal impurity could alter the final taste of Pepsi. Operators carefully monitor this process, making constant checks to ensure everything is perfect. With the water completely purified and ready for what's next, it's time to discover the mysterious secret formula that turns everything into Pepsi. Let's take a look. Step number 3. The secret formula. The Pepsi formula is one of the biggest secrets in the beverage industry. It is said that only 3 factories worldwide know its exact composition and guard it jealously. But what are they hiding from us? Although its exact formula remains a mystery, research has revealed some of its key ingredients. Pepsi concentrate contains sugar, which gives it its characteristic sweet taste, citric acid, which provides a touch of refreshing acidity, caramel, which not only gives it that characteristic brown color but also adds a smooth texture, phosphoric acid, which provides that acidic and sparkling touch, and caffeine, which provides a stimulating touch, also contributing to its popularity as an energy drink. This concentrate is produced in selected factories, such as the one in Cork, Ireland, and from there it is distributed to Pepsi bottling plants around the world. Once the concentrate arrives at the bottling plants, it is mixed with purified water, and for sugar-free versions, alternative sweeteners are used to maintain the flavor. In addition, preservatives and antioxidants are added, which ensure the freshness and quality of the product, preserving its flavor and vibrant color. With the concentrate ready, it's time to mix all this syrup and add that bubbly touch that makes Pepsi unique. Let's go! Step number 4. The mixing and carbonation. We all love that refreshing taste of Pepsi, accompanied by those bubbles that explode in your mouth with every sip. But how is that unique sensation achieved? Well, this is where the magic begins. In huge mixing tanks, the purified water is carefully combined with the secret concentrate. These tanks are precisely calibrated, ensuring that each ingredient is mixed in the exact proportion to maintain the perfect flavor that we all love. Once everything is well integrated, the most exciting part arrives: carbonation. In this step, carbon dioxide is introduced into the liquid, creating those refreshing bubbles that make Pepsi so unique. Carbonation machines are responsible for distributing the gas evenly, ensuring that each bottle and can is full of bubbles that provide an unmistakable texture and freshness. This process not only gives it that bubbly touch, but also acts as a natural preservative, keeping the drink fresh until the moment you enjoy it. With the mixing and carbonation ready, it's time to bottle the thousands of bottles and cans that will reach stores around the world. Let's take a look. Step number 5. Filling at full speed. Once the Pepsi concentrate is ready and the mixture has been perfectly prepared, it's time to fill the bottles and cans. This is a crucial process in production, and precision is key to maintaining the quality of the drink. High-speed filling machines are responsible for filling the plastic bottles and aluminum cans with the carbonated Pepsi mixture. These machines operate at an impressive speed, filling each container precisely and without spilling a single drop of the drink. The filling process is so fast that, in a single day, one machine can fill up to 36,000 plastic bottles and thousands of aluminum cans. Each bottle and can is filled to the exact amount, leaving no room for air bubbles, ensuring that every sip is full of freshness and flavor. Once the bottles and cans are filled, they are hermetically sealed with specialized caps. This step is crucial as it ensures that the gas, freshness, and bubbles remain intact inside, preserving the quality of the drink until it reaches your hands. With the bottles and cans ready and perfectly sealed, the next step is a final quality control to ensure that everything is in perfect condition before distribution. Let's take a look. Step number 6. Quality control and safety. Quality control is one of the most critical stages in Pepsi production. Once each bottle is filled and sealed, a series of rigorous tests begins in laboratories equipped with cutting-edge technology. Random samples are taken, and the level of carbon dioxide, key to that perfect fizz, as well as the exact amount of sugar and other ingredients, are precisely analyzed using high-precision automatic sensors. If any value falls outside the standard, the production line is stopped immediately. Food safety tests are also carried out to detect any potential contaminants or bacteria. Scanners, ultraviolet light, and microbiological cultures are used to ensure that each bottle is 100% clean and safe. Thanks to these controls, every Pepsi that reaches your hands maintains the same taste and quality no matter where in the world it was manufactured. With all these quality controls completed, the bottles are ready for the final step, labeling and distribution. Let's take a look. Step number 7. Labeling, packaging, and distribution. Now that the Pepsi bottles have passed all the rigorous quality controls, it's time to prepare them to reach your hands. The first step in this phase is labeling. Each Pepsi bottle or can is precisely labeled. In addition to the iconic Pepsi logo, you will also find nutritional details and all the important product information. Everything has to be perfect and, of course, instantaneous. Once labeled, the bottles and cans are carefully grouped onto pallets, ready to be transported. But it's not just a matter of putting them in boxes. The packaging process is designed so that each product arrives in perfect condition. Thanks to an extremely efficient distribution system, Pepsi ensures that millions of bottles and cans reach more than 200 countries every day. From distribution centers, the products travel to supermarkets, stores, and restaurants, maintaining their freshness and flavor intact. In a single day, Pepsi factories can produce millions of units ready to enjoy. And thanks to this logistical system, the drink reaches you just when you need it, so you can enjoy a very cold Pepsi. To finish, tell us, are you Team Pepsi or Team Coca-Cola? What makes you prefer one over the other? Leave your answer in the comments. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to discover more fascinating production processes. See you in the next video.